Hi guys, welcome to School of English. In this lesson, we're going to study polite requests. Yes, our main topic is modals. In other words, modal verbs. First of all, what are modal verbs? Let's have a quick look. Modal verbs, actually they are auxiliaries or helping verbs that help us sentences expressing necessity, for example, obligation, intent, and there are many others that we will be studying together, each and every one of them. Okay, let's get started with polite requests. Which modal verbs we use while expressing polite requests? During a polite request, if the subject is I as the subject, that means asking for something or asking for permission. It may either mean asking for something or asking for permission. Here are the examples. Could you get your car? Could is more polite than may, if we should rank them. May I have your eraser? And may is more polite than can. Can I borrow your bicycle? And finally, the least common form of polite request, I as the subject. Might I use your phone? Okay, this is the least common form. The most used one is can in this respect. How about polite request, you as the subject? Which modals we use to express polite requests with you as the subject? This means when you use polite requests, you as the subject, this means asking someone to do something. Would you close the door, please? You want the person to perform an action for you. Will you turn down the music, please? This is less polite than would. Could you help me with my homework, please? And can you call the doctor, please? And can is less polite than could, of course. Okay. And the next one, polite request with would you mind plus verb ing. When would you mind is used with verb ing, it means asking someone to do something again. Would you mind turning on the lights? Again, you want someone to perform a specific action for you. Polite request with would you mind, if plus simple past tense, an if clause. If you use an if clause after would you mind, it means asking someone whether or not there would be any trouble if you yourself perform the job. In the first one, when you use verb ing after would you mind, you want another person to do a task for you. If you use if clause after with simple past tense after would you mind, then you ask that person whether it would be a problem if you do something. Okay, that's the difference. Would you mind if I turned on the lights is our example. And using imperatives to make polite requests, you should use please here. Otherwise, an imperative phrase would be rude. Come here, please. Don't touch the plug, please. Yes. This is the last point in polite. Okay. This was the last point that we need to explain here. And that's all for polite request. Thanks for watching.